guys, it's Robin, RsIslandCrafts. This is Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, October. No. Where did October come from? August. We don't want to rush the year. 13th, 2019. As you can see here, I have a baby quilt finished again. This one, once again, was one of those tops that I had made earlier in the year. I got it all quilted up. I just did straight line quilting, and I only quilted 1/8 of an inch from the edges on these flower bits on those rows, and then I left the purpley rows with the what are they? They're sheep watering their garden, their flowers. So I left those rows alone. Just some nice straight line quilting. I thought it worked really well last week's on that one. And since this one is still straight lines that way, quick and easy, go ahead and get it done. I have a scrappy back. These 3 fabrics were in the quilt, so they were left over. I'd already made the binding, and I made the binding from these, which ones did I use? From these 2 fabrics, the one with all the flowers on it and then the one with the sheep. This one is just that little contrast highlight fabric that was in there. I went ahead and just didn't use that at all. I left it for there. And then I didn't have enough, so I went ahead and added the green stuff on it because I thought that worked well. You can see the green just has some variations. There you go. It's a nice little grass and stuff. Nothing too exciting, but it was a nice blender fabric that worked with this. And since I'm right up in your face, a little reminder of what this quilt looks like close up. This is the one that did not make it into the binding. These 2 did. These 2 rows as 1/8 of an inch got their little quilting done. This row didn't. So as you can see, that's what the back looks like. I love the simplicity of this quilt, and whoever gets it can turn it any way they want. I kind of like it this way too. It's close to about 39 by 39, maybe 39 by 40. I have to give another measurement. I just kind of like built it as I went. When it came from the back, I just went ahead and stitched these two fabrics together. Then I added this one because it was longer. Trimmed them up even, figured out I just cut a strip however wide I needed it for this one and left it at the width of fabric, cut off the end. A little bit of the end went over here, and then I just cut the other part of the strip for over there. You know, it just worked out really well. I think that green goes nicely with it because it kind of reminds me of grass. And that's it for me this week. I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye!